All right, I'm just going to go over two examples where we find the degree and number of terms of a polynomial. But in order to do that, we also need to rewrite them in standard form while combining like terms. So on this first example, notice we have two terms, two x squared terms. We're going to go ahead and combine those. This is a 1x squared and then a negative 3x squared. So that will give us a negative 2x squared. Let me add those together. We also, and the reason I did the x squareds first is because that's our highest exponent. And since I want it in standard form, I want the highest exponent first. So moving right along, I'm going to go to the terms with an x. So we have negative 6x plus 3x. When you add those together, you get a negative 3x. And then after that, we have a negative 5. So the constant of negative 5. So we have negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. This is the polynomial written in standard form. The degree is just the highest exponent once everything's written in standard form. So our highest exponent is 2. Number of terms would just be how many terms we have. So we have 1, 2, 3 terms. The x squared term, the x term, and the constant. Okay, so degree is 2, number of terms is 3. So let's go to example 2. Once again, we need to simplify, write it in standard form before we find the degree and number of terms. So we have x squared. I'm going to go ahead and distribute x squared in for every single term. So x squared times x to the 4th is x to the 6th. Maybe I should have done that separately, so let me do it this way, one at a time. So x squared times x to the 4th is x to the 6th. X squared times negative 3x squared is a negative 3x to the 4th. And then x squared times x is an x cubed. And then x squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. So at this point, we just need to make sure that all the exponents are in order from highest to lowest, so they are. So we need to figure out our degree, which I'm indicating with just the d. Degree is the highest exponent, so that's 6. So degree is 6. And the number of terms, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And we would be done.